You will be watching a number of animations put together in a compiled movie. In this complete movie you will get an impression of a simulation toolbox defined in the multi-body simulation program MSc Adams. Adams is a multi-body program in which you can create simulation models from rigid parts and connections. In this example we have created a small toolbox with the intention to be able to analyze bicycles. Finally, the intention of the toolbox was to see whether it's feasible to create a link between two bicycles, allowing a trailer bicycle to be pulled by a pulling bicycle. In this series of animation you will see different steps. So in the first phase we created a macro for a bicycle, and this macro is parameterized, so you can just change the parameter settings to create a completely different bicycle. In the second phase you need something to test the bicycle with, so what you see in this animation is a robot which carries the front wheel of a bicycle and which you can use to drive it at a certain speed over a certain course. And you can set the articulation angle of the vehicle, of the bicycle, so you can really test different configurations. At the next phase you want to see what happens if you link two bicycles together, and you will be watching some of these animations further down. And the purpose of the analysis is to analyze what what side motion you will have of the trailing bicycle while it's being pulled through a curve by the leading bicycle. Here you still see some different testing configurations, just trying out to see what happens with one bicycle going over a certain path. Remember that what you see here is not really, for the front wheel, it's not really a slipping wheel, but it's just following this sliding disc on the road. Here you see the situation where you have a trailing bicycle pulled by a leading bicycle, and the saddle pen of the leading bicycle is used as the reference point. And so you can see here that this is a free motion, so the vibration of the leading bicycle is passed through to the following bicycle. And here you see the final test of the situation where you go through a certain circular path and you analyze the lateral motion of the trailing bicycle when it's forced to go over a road for the leading bicycle.